Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, what we are going to learn, we are going to understand how to implement hands-on related to BERT in order to perform this task like text classification or named entity recognition. So in order to recognize a particular name related to particular entity, we're nothing but classifying the words, right? Yes. So that we're gonna implement right now in this video. So for this, I'm opening I want to select a BERT based model. So for that, I'm opening the Hugging Face. So this is the place where models are present. This is the platform which is providing us the models. Now what we are expecting BERT based models for named entity recognition. So that's why in the search bar, I searched for this. You can see I'm getting the most downloaded one and the most liked one. So I want to move on with this in order to do named entity recognition. So before utilizing this, you can even test this as well here. Like you can say here, other than California, I want to put like India and I want to compute it, whether it can able to recognize or not. So before implementing this model, I'm just checking here itself directly. You can see, yes, it is identifying. So now I want to use this model in order to recognize my entities related to names. So how to use this model in my local environment? Let's say this is my PyCharm platform. And in this platform, I want to write some code in order to use this model. So in order to use this model, you have this use this model option and you just click on this available options so that it will provide you how many ways that you have to use this model. You can create pipelines or else you can create directly tokenizers and model by using this auto tokenizer and auto model for token classification methods from this library. First, since this is a simple way, I want to use this way or use this method in order to use this particular model. So that's why I'm opening my PyCharm and I'm writing the code. So first we need to import the pipeline. So in order to import the pipeline, we need to import that pipeline from transformers. So from transformers, I'm importing this pipeline. And now I'm creating my model pipeline, model related pipeline. So what is that? That is by using the pipeline function that we just imported. Here we need to provide the things like a task we need to provide. You can open this model. So here itself, they'll specify you what is the task. Token classification is our task. So I just copied it and providing that here. And we need to also specify which model that we are expecting to use. I want to use this BERT, distilled BERT base model for NER, named entity recognition. I'm just copying the model and I'm providing the model name here. So that's it. Now our model pipeline got created successfully. You can write the text or you can provide your input to this model pipeline and you can able to predict the named entities which are present in the text. So I'm just using the model pipeline and I'm passing the text, but currently I haven't provided any text. Now I want to provide some text like Apple is not available, or Apple company is not present in Delhi in India, or you can put comma here. Apple company is not present in Delhi, India. So I want to perform like whatever the entities are there for particular name. This is the company name. This is the company name. So like that, I want to identify this is the location name. So those things I want to identify by using this model. So I'm just running this by using PySpace. What is the function name or what is the file name? BERT NER py. So I'm writing that BERT -ner dot py. So simple, that's it. You can just create a pipeline and just pass whatever the input that you have to the pipeline, model pipeline that you just created, so that this model pipeline will actually analyze the given text of input that is provided by you, and that will provide you the named entities which are recognized in that model. So just wait a moment so that it can able to analyze the given text that is provided by you, and it will recognize whatever the entities are there related to the names that you provided, and it will provide you the result. You can observe. So from here to here, this is a one entity recognition, and that word is this apple. Apple is related to organization, beginning of the organization. This word related to organization beginning, yes, it's a organization name. Yeah. And another entity like so company, it's also organization only. So that also recognized, as well as location. Some location is recognized. Yes, Delhi is a location. It is correctly recognized. And one more beginning word of location is recognized. What is that? India. So India is also a location. So in this way, you can use the BERT base NER named entity recognition model in order to recognize few attributes. Those are trained to this model. Now you can open the model. This is the model, right? Yes. So if you observe the model, yeah, for these attributes only this model is trained for. So it can able to identify the person names as well as organization names as well as the location names. So if you have an application that requires to predict or identify the named entities regarding these things, you can able to use this model for your requirement, and you can able to fulfill your need. That is, you can able to observe the entity related to the name. So that you can able to perform by using this. So in real time, you might have requirement for identifying other attributes than these. So during that case, you need to fine tune the model. You need to pick the model which is best fit for you based on the model selection criteria that I'm going to provide a video related to how to select a model in future videos and in the upcoming videos. So based on that criteria, you need to prefer a model and you need to fine tune a model, and you can able to use that model in your application so that you can able to fulfill your requirements by utilizing or leveraging the advantages of ML models. So this is about named entity recognition task performing by using this BERT model. I hope this video is useful and you understood this hands-on related to how to implement this named entity recognition by using this BERT model and selecting the model from Hugging Face, identifying the model that best fits for your need from Hugging Face. Those all also you have understood from this video. You understood the attributes, these attributes recognition by using this BERT-based model. I hope this video is useful, and if you feel this video is useful, then please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thanks for watching again. See you back in the next video with another interesting topic. Until then, bye bye guys.